Good morning, children. Today's date is 22nd October and the year is 2020 and today's day is Thursday. In our literacy class today we are going to learn something very interesting. Yes, you are going to be learning how to write a sentence. So today you will learn how to form a sentence and then how to write a sentence. Okay. Before we get into writing a sentence, first let us have a look at what is in front of me. What do you see here in front of me? What things do you see? Can you name it? You see a bat. Yes. And what else do you see? Where is the bat? Where is the bat kept? Yeah, the bat is kept on the mat. Yeah, so you see these two things. The bat is kept on the mat. Yes. So how will you tell me? Where is the bat? So you will tell me the bat is on the mat. Yes, it is on the mat. Okay, now let us look at the words. Before we form a sentence, we should know what the words are. Yeah, what words we will use to make a sentence. Because do you know what is a sentence? A sentence is a bunch of words together. Yeah. When we make a list of words, yeah, and then join them together to make sense, it makes a sentence. Yes, so here I have few words related to the picture that we just saw. Yes, so can we read the words here? And we will arrange it so that it makes sense. And then it can be made into a sentence. Okay? So first we will read the words, okay, that we have in front of us. So now, which word is this? This is the sight word that you have learned. Yeah? You stick out your tongue and you say the word the. Yes. Let us look at the second word that I have here. Bat. Okay. The third word here I have is on. Again I have the sight word, where you stick out your tongue and you say the word the. Then I have the word is. Then I have the word mat. Yes. So these are the words that we have related to the picture. Yes, the bat, we saw there was a bat. I just showed you, yes, there was a bat which was kept on a mat. Yes, now when I have these words, yeah, I have some words here. The bat, on, the, is, mat. Now I have to arrange it in such a way that it makes proper sense. Yes. So how can we start? We start with the. Yes. Now we are forming a sentence. And then we will see the rules how we have to write the sentence. First we'll form the sentence. Okay. So I have the. Okay. I'll keep all the words aside. And then we'll take one by one. Okay. So starting with the. Now what did we see first? We saw the bat. Yes. So the bat is on the mat. Yes, can we read it now? So the words that I had just read, now I have arranged it to form a sentence. Yes, we'll see if this makes sense. The bat is on the mat. Yes, this is right. Now what if I do is, what if I put the mat here and the bat here? We'll read it now. We'll see if this makes sense. The mat is on the bat. Yes, the mat is on the bat. मैट बैट के ऊपर है या बैट मैट के ऊपर रखा हुआ है? Yes, is the mat on the bat? No, the bat is on the mat. Yes, so the previous sentence made more sense. Yes, so this way, the bat is on the mat. Bat mat के ऊपर रखा है. Yes, this makes sense. This is what we saw. Yes, so this is the correct sentence. So we have formed the sentence. The bat is on the mat. Now let us see how to write the sentence. Yes, now we have formed the sentence. Now we will learn how to write the sentence. So initially you have to take care of two most important things. You always begin writing with the capital letter. Yes, did you see? The first word, in the first word, the first letter has to be capital. Yeah, when you begin a sentence, the first letter of the first word has to be capital, has to be the uppercase letter. And all the other letters have to be the lowercase letters. Yes, so you have to just keep these two things in mind for now. You always begin with the capital letter. Always. The first letter of the sentence, the first word, the first letter of the first word of the sentence has to be a capital letter. Yes, that is point number 1. And what else you have to keep in mind? In between, this is one word and this is another word. So in between two words, you should have one finger space. Just one finger space, okay? So that the letters don't stick to each other. The words don't stick to each other. So there has to be some space, yes, so that the writing looks neat. And you can differentiate that these are different words. You have to have one finger space between the words. Yes, do you see here? We have one finger space after every word. So these are the two things that you have to keep in mind while writing a sentence. First, you always begin with a capital letter. The first letter of the first word has to be a capital letter. And point number 2, you always have to put one finger space between two words in a sentence. Yes. Now let us see how we will write this sentence in the book.